So this is a bit of tech that no one talks about because it's probably just boring. No one really thinks twice about it. You plug it in and it works. It's a gallium nitride charger, and I'm sure you guys have seen those huge power bricks that can charge up laptops. This one is only a fraction of the size, considering its 140 watt output. It's a new one that NOVOO have just released. And basically, this is one of the most important accessories that I take along with me, or either at home, using at home, or going traveling, even just going to the library to be able to charge all my devices. It's extremely light, fits in my laptop bag, and it outputs 140 watts, like I said, so it can charge my laptop, can charge a couple of other devices like high-powered phones, and also takes different kind of plugs you can see here, so 3 USB-C ports, and then you've got the USB-A port. On the side of the charger, it tells you the different combinations, and yeah, if you've got different devices plugged into each port, how much it outputs depending on the combinations. And there's also an instruction manual that they include here. They do give you this 240 watt charging cable, which is pretty important to remember as well, because you're going to need a cable that's able to output that amount of power as well. So let's have a look here in the instruction manual. It's pretty basic, tells you what's included. Again, it's kind of like a reprint of what's on the side. So yeah, if you're essentially wondering if you've got different devices plugged into different ports, what's the maximum output per port, you can see with that USB-A, the maximum is 22.5 watts. So that's if there's like a single device connected. The USB-C ports have a higher output in general. And interestingly, up here it talks about the heat management system on the charger. So when it gets too hot, just reduces the outputs by a little bit. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Another thing to keep in mind with these chargers is that when you plug in different devices, so say you've got a couple of things charging and you unplug one or you plug in another device, the entire thing resets. So you do have a slight cut in power, maybe for a few seconds to all the devices connected. That's just a feature of these gallium nitride chargers. So yeah, if you have a device that needs to be continuously powered with absolutely no cut in power, yeah, that's an important consideration to keep in mind. But yeah, for travel, for use at home, just to keep everything down to like a very small compact package, I think this is one of the best value and useful accessories that I have around. So this is the previous 120 watt version that NOVOO sent to me, and you can see they've added an additional USB-C port on here, obviously another 20 watts. And yeah, it's been going strong. I've been using this now for, God, I think, yeah, about 3 or so years. Here's the RG140 in action, and I've got it charging my phone here. Okay, and 3 USB-C cables connected. If you have a look at my desk, I've got my X-Tar VC8S charging a couple of 18650 batteries, and also have my microphone being charged as well. So yeah, it keeps a very low profile, and yeah, like I said, it's just so convenient to pull out and bring along with you. If you're interested in getting the NOVOO RG140, I've left a link down below in the description. And yeah, if you have any questions, just let me know below and I'll get back to you.